In this video, we will demonstrate how to use Program Proxy. First, open the Cherry Proxy client and locate the Program Proxy option at the top. Click on it, then find the plus icon below to add the browser you want to connect to Program Proxy. Next, click on Proxy List at the top. On the right side, you can filter IP information based on your needs. Once filtered, click the Search button. After the proxy list updates, choose an IP, right-click, and select the Program Proxy Connect option. Once connected, return to the Program Proxy page, where you can see the IP connected through Program Proxy. You can click the Stop button on the right to disconnect. Below, there's a button to clear the browser cache with one click to prevent connection failures. Finally, open the browser connected to Program Proxy and visit ipinfo or similar tools to check the current IP information. If the displayed IP matches, the Program Proxy connection was successful.